Welcome to Flowing Mobility Tai Chi. I'm Susan Thompson, your Tai Chi instructor. And together I will take you through this very simple step-by-step process of learning the Yang style 24 form. If you learn the 24 form, you'll be able to perform it anywhere with other individuals across the world. It is the most popular style of Tai Chi. And before we begin, I would like to introduce you to my assistant. This is Maestro, and he is a standard poodle, and he believes that he deserves to be on video, and I tend to agree. So I hope you don't mind that I do have the presence of my dogs in the video. It will not interfere with your learning process. So let's begin this journey. We'll go on to our next video where I'll start teaching you the fundamentals of the Tai Chi stance and of posture and the unity of movement in our body. And from there, each lesson will progress you through the 24 different forms in the 24 Yang style. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to teaching you the Yang style Tai Chi set.